Sci-Fi on ZEE5. And there are 5 reasons, according to me, why this award is very special. The first, because it's the only exclusive OTT awards. 2, because it is a monthly award and it keeps up the interest of the viewers. 3, because it is honoring the highest consumer content. 4, because I think that the classifications are very simple. They are honoring either the new shows or the continuing shows. And 5th, because I think the categories are varied, which is refreshing, which is Hindi TV, original Hindi series, original regional series, movies, and music video. And now coming to Dheeraj, I want to say a small incident that just happened in the room while I was waiting to come here. So Anuya, the girl who was looking after me, I said, so where is Dheeraj? Because I don't see much of TV, I'm sorry. So every boy who entered the room, so I said, is he Dheeraj? So she said, no, he's in a very colorful jacket and you will recognize him the minute you will see him. And then suddenly I was reminded of my nephew, child who is very small, goes to school. So I believe that every day when this serial of yours comes, he's supposed to be doing his homework. And his mother says, go and do your homework. And he says, but you call me when he's saying I love you to the girl. You call me if he's embracing her. He wants to see the love moment that is happening between the couple, which is not happening as we just heard. Dheeraj, you just said to the RJ that you find your character and the series very relatable. So what are the relatable qualities that you see? Because I find that the television really goes OTT. So I'm really curious to know what are the features that you think are relatable. Is it because you get to romance the girl and never tell her that you are romancing her?
I feel the story itself is very relatable. You know, as I said earlier, also the interpersonal relationship between the characters is very real. If you ask me for my character Karan, I hardly did any homework. You know, I was the captain of the cricket school team in my school days, and so I'm playing a cricketer in my show. So I don't need to work on the body language as well. I knew how to communicate and everything. And when it comes to the character Karan, Dheeraj and Karan are very similar. You know, the way I react to the situation. The only difference is that he's more patient, Karan. I have patience only in my name, Dheeraj. So otherwise I'm a little impatient in life. But see, that's what I said. The whole story is very relatable. It's like Karan is boy next door. You know,
so what are the qualities you like in Karan? Because you said he's like you, but he's not like you.
Yeah, see, I think, as I said earlier also, if the situation is right, it's right for him. You know, he will fight the word if people say if it's wrong, you know, that person is wrong. No, but if he feels it's right, it's right.
No, but he is getting married and he's thinking of taking revenge on her. He's getting married and never consummating the marriage. So why did he get married?
No, because the way the things were portrayed in front of him, I think he believed those things. And as I said, we have to run the show for next few years. So yeah.
You are spending more time with your co-star and the team on the sets than what you do at home with your family. Because you just go home to sleep and then you're back in the morning on the sets. And when you're awake and energetic, you're all the time on the sets. So don't you think sometimes you go home and call your wife by the name of your female character?
No, I felt very offensive. One of the news channels actually called him my real life Preeta. So, you know, I make sure that I go and remember my wife's name. And I have a lovely dog as well. His name is Oreo. So I make sure that, you know, every weekend or 5 days in a month, you know, I spend those days with them only. You know, that's my personal time. And I do understand TV is a little hectic, you know, the schedule-wise. But I make sure that I'll get my personal time with my family.
You know, you are the Salman Khan of television.
Thank you.
And I want you to say certain really good tips that what happens when regular boy like Dheeraj becomes a star on television, how much does life change for him? What are the things he should be careful about? Because slowly, as your TRP rates go higher and higher, you can lose the ground that you're walking on, and things change also dramatically. So, what are the things that you've observed about yourself that you needed to remind yourself कि भाई ज़मीन पर रहो?
So, when I was not an actor, I always manifested this thing in my life that one day I'll become an actor and I want to work with Ekta. I want to do an Ekta Kapoor show. I want to play a romantic hero in one of our shows, and today here I am. Everything I manifested, and I believe in that. But you need to work on your craft. Everyone who's coming to this industry wants to become an actor. I believe that craft is the main thing. If you're working continuously on your craft, things will go up for you. So never forget that what you're known for. I used to get compliments for my dimples and my smile earlier. Now people started complimenting for my work, my acting skills. So I'm really happy. That shows somewhere I worked on my craft as well. So always remember why you came here.
Besides craft, what are the other things you do?